How's it going, guys? As you can see, I am sweating my bald little head off. We're back here in the RV, and I went and got plugs, and I got wires, but I realized that I never put power to the distributor yesterday before I tried everything. So I found this single red wire, and I just put it right up to the battery terminal on here for power, and we're going to try this real quick and see what happens. I guess wish us luck, right? Maybe I shouldn't stand right here. I don't know. Let's send it. Oh. Oh, really? Whoa, did you hear that? She fired right up. Ho. Let's pour some gas in the carburetor and try it again. All right, just poured a little gas in there. Step aside here again. It looks like the throttle was just maxed out. Come on, baby. All right, well, she runs. She's definitely a runner. Let me see if maybe... Whoop, I can get like an external fuel source here, and we'll go from there. All right, so now that we got it running, I'm gonna see if I can get it to stay running. According to the gauge, it's full of fuel. I highly doubt that. I kind of like looked in the fuel fill. Smells like gas in there, and the electric fuel pump sounds like it's working, but there's definitely no gas coming. So I was thinking, I want to check and see what the status is of this right here. So I need to find me a little screwdriver and pop that fuel filter off and see what's going on there. So it's getting ready to storm, so I decided to head out for the day. I might get back over there tomorrow, not sure yet, but it runs, and I actually got it to idle on its own for a little bit by feeding it some gas. The fuel pump, electric fuel pump, seems to be working because I can feel air coming out of the hose when the fuel pump's clicking, but nothing's coming out. Fuel filter's not clogged. I'm just guessing it might be out of gas, but the gas gauge does read full, but I'm gonna guess the sender's not working. So I think I might just try giving it an auxiliary fuel source first, like maybe a little boat gas tank. And if that does work, I mean, maybe even if it doesn't, I might just toss gas in the thing. It might not hurt just to throw a couple gallons in it to see if it does anything. So might do that, but like I said, over there it's like about to pour rain, and I don't want to be caught up in all that, so I dipped out for the day. But little victories. It runs. Also found another battery compartment on the thing with another battery, which is most likely for the generator because it has an electric start generator on it. And a few of the accessories inside of it seem to work off the standard 12-volt battery for the engine. But other than that, I just tested to make sure the steering worked. I looked under it some, nothing leaks underneath it or anything. I was kind of messing with a propane heater on it and whatnot, but other than that, like I said, we got it running. That's a big plus. Now the next part is to get it to move. So hopefully we can get this thing running under its own power with a fuel cell or maybe just gas in the gas tank. And then we can see if we can't get this thing to move under its own power. Stay tuned, guys.